Tired of forgetting to send follow-up emails at the right time? You finally get to a deal. You draft the perfect message, but then life happens, and suddenly it's 3 days later, and that window of opportunity has passed. Well, today, I'm going to show you how to schedule emails in Pipedrive so they send automatically when you actually need them to land. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the schedule option and how to set it up in just a few clicks. No more sticky notes, no more calendar reminders, just your email going out at the perfect moment. All right, let's jump in. Start by opening Pipedrive in your browser, just like you normally would. Now, look over to the left sidebar and click on Deals. This is where all your active opportunities live, and it's the most natural place to work from when you're following up. Go ahead and open the specific deal you want to send an email for. I've tested this process hundreds of times, and trust me, it works the same whether it's a hot prospect or a long-term client. Inside that deal, find the Email tab and click on it. This is where the magic happens, because Pipedrive keeps everything tied directly to the deal record. You won't have to search through your sent folder later to remember what you sent. Now, fill in the recipient's email address. Double-check this one really carefully, because a typo here means your perfectly timed email goes nowhere. Then add a clear subject line, something the recipient will recognize and want to open. Now for the email message itself. Compose your key points here. Keep it natural and conversational. You want this to sound like you, not a robot. And here's a tip from experience. Write the body as if you're speaking to the person directly. It makes a huge difference in how your follow-ups are received. Take a moment to review everything. The address, the subject, the message. This is your last chance to catch any mistakes before we set the timer. Look at the bottom right corner of the email compose window. You'll see the Send button. It's a solid blue button with a small arrow right next to it. Click that tiny drop-down arrow beside the Send button. Most people never notice it's there, but that little arrow is the key to everything we're doing today. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Send Later. This is where Pipedrive transforms from a simple email tool into a scheduled sending powerhouse. Now, pick the exact date and time you want this email to go out. Maybe you want it to hit their inbox first thing Monday morning. Or right after a specific meeting you know they have, you can set it down to the minute. Pipedrive will show you a summary of your scheduled email. Confirm the recipient, the subject, and your chosen time. This is your final checkpoint. Click the Confirm button to lock in the schedule. And that's it. You're done. Pipedrive will now handle the delivery. At the exact time you selected, that email sends automatically. You can walk away, close the tab, go to lunch, whatever. The system takes care of it. So next time you're working on a deal and you know exactly when you want that follow-up to land, you've got this tool in your pocket. No more scrambling, no more missing the window. Just set it and forget it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.